your tractor, Hudson? So, Hudson was driving in this tall grass with this toy tractor. You know which one. You see all the videos of him driving it. And what happened? It got lost. Yeah. It's lost in here somewhere. So, we got to go on an adventure using your Batmobile, a drone. Maybe we'll find it. We're going to do our best, aren't we?
Yeah.
Let's try and find it.
Dad, there's a lot of long grass.
I know. So, Hudson, how do you think we're going to find your tractor?
In the tall grass.
Yeah, it is in the tall grass. So, what I'm going to try and do is we'll try and find some tracks. Like where you drove through it. You know how to make tracks in the tall grass?
Like the bus was following the tracks?
Yeah, so maybe we can follow the tracks and see if we can find where Hudson left his tractor. So let's go find some tracks. So we're gonna try and find some tracks to see where Hudson drove in. So help us, see if we can find some tracks. You see any tracks yet?
No.
I don't see none.
I see some.
Oh, look, right here. There's some tracks. Maybe this will lead to something. Let's see what we got.
Oh!
Oh, look, come on. Look.
Hudson's trailer.
It's Hudson's trailer. That means his tractor has to be here somewhere.
I see something.
You see something else? Let's go. Come on, let's see what Hudson found. All the tracks are here. There's got to be something.
Oh!
Oh, look, it's his tractor.
It's
But
a little tractor.
that's not the tractor we need. This isn't pulling your trailer. This is just a little bitty toy tractor.
No!
Maybe we found something else. So, the next step in finding Hudson's tractor, I think we're gonna use a drone. You wanna try?
Yeah.
We're gonna try and fly over all that tall grass and look down, see if we can see the tractor. You think we can?
Yeah.
Do you wanna fly it?
And where did you put it?
It's over there. Go get the remote. Go find your tractor, Hudson. Go, go, go. Keep going. Look right here, see? You can see where you're flying.
Is it over there?
Yep, over there. Look, that might be it right there. So, by looking at the drone, me and Hudson, we think, where do you think it is?
It's the path.
Yeah, we think it's in this path just straight that way. So let's go see if we can find his tractor. Go, Hudson, go. I think we're getting close. So I'm gonna put Hudson on my shoulders to see if he can find it. You ready?
Okay.
You see anything?
Yeah, I see something yellow.
We think we see it. Let's go see.
It's over there. It's big.
It's big.
It's my tractor.
It's his tractor. We found it. How did you get it right here?
I don't know.
Silly Hudson. Ah, there's your tractor. You're stuck.
We need for waste to show this.
Let's push him out. Go. Oh, gosh. Go, go, go. We're stuck. Go. We're stuck. Mom.